Good morning, respected teachers, invited guests, and dear innovators. It's a pleasure for me to be a part of Deyapuram Tech Digital Fest 2021 being held today. I was a part of another event in Deyapuram Residential School years back. That was a physical event and was quite impressed by the quality of work being done at the school. And I've gone through the previous editions of Digital Fest and was amazed at the type of innovations, the coding exercises, and the digital developments which the students have done in the past few years. I'm sure that this Digital Fest also will come out with excellent solutions and excellent products from many of you. As we know that we are living in a world where the digital technologies is actually becoming an integral part of each of us. We can never think about a world where, or a day where we don't have access to mobile phones, access to computers. Even today, we are conversing with each other through a digital platform as if we are together. I currently head the Digital University of the state, a university which dedicated to on digital technologies, looking at application of digital world into the world of sciences and humanities. So when you look at this digital world, we believe that each of us have a great role to play, especially the young innovators over here. Compared to the past world, which was characterized by steam engines and IC engines and large mechanical machines, the new world is all about the knowledge, the ability, and the intelligence. And that actually makes sure that we are not resource starved. We can actually come out with very effective innovations. We can come out with very nice solutions to the problems around us. Digital Fest, where the students from class 1 to class 12 participate, is actually a great initiative of CyberSquare. And I believe that this provides you a platform where you can unleash your potential, show your passion to come out with solutions which will benefit society at large. Today, technology is accessible to all of us much, much easier than what it was maybe even a decade ago. You have a lot of people there to support you. The whole world is so well connected that any intelligent idea suddenly finds places among the masses if it can make an impact. In today's Digital Fest, I believe that there are several such ideas are going to be exhibited, which will look at the problems, which will come out with very innovative solutions to those problems and help students to exhibit their skills and take them up into the next level. A few years back, when I was heading the Kerala Startup Mission, we had a very young innovator who became perhaps world's youngest robotic developer. And I'm sure that many of you sitting there could actually challenge that position by engaging in coding, animations, and artificial intelligence models at a very, very early stage, from class 1, class 2, etc. We are looking forward to seeing many of you coming out with excellent exhibits, excellent solutions, excellent ideas, which can actually shake the world. Most of the big names which we hear today, be it Google or Facebook, they all started small, only maybe 15, 20 years back. Most of them have happened as ideas where students discuss in college dorms. And the next wave of change is going to be from the schools. Let's hope that many of you at Dayapuram Residential School will able to lead that wave, and Digital Fest will prove as a catalyst for this transformation. With these few words, let me formally inaugurate this Digital Fest 2021 and wish all the participants all the very best. Hope to see great products, great ideas blossom in this fest. Thank you very much.